And this is a summary of chapter 16. That Indra's mother, Aditi, who is the mother of the demigods, she was lamenting due to separation from her sons who were kicked out of the heavenly planet. Indra lost his heavenly kingdom. Mother Aditi approached her husband Kashyap, and she received from him instructions how to perform some austerity or perform a brata called the Payal Brat, by doing which she could please the Supreme Personality of Godhead, Sri Krishna, and receive from him a boon of a son who had actually arranged for Indra to get his kingdom back and defeat Bali Maharaj. So this chapter 16 is called Executing the Payal Brata Process of Worship. Kashyap Muni, the husband of Indra's mother, Aditi, and also Indra's father, he was away performing austerities. And when he came back, he saw that his wife was very unhappy. He was trying to inquire about the cause. Why was Aditi so unhappy? Was it possibly because she was not, there were some discrepancies in the principles of household life, some discrepancies in their religious practices or dharma, kama. And Prabhupada says in the purport, those that are householders, they should not think that dharma or religion is meant to improve the process of a householder's sense gratification. Dharma, art, kam. Household life is actually meant for advancement in spiritual understanding, by which one can get liberation from material clutches. Then Kashyap asked another reason that could possibly be a cause for the dissatisfaction. This is the second question, second cause of dissatisfaction or unhappiness. He said, "Oh, Aditi, did you fail to properly receive an uninvited guest, Atiti?" It's actually the duty of a householder to receive guests, even if the guest is an enemy. A seat and a glass of water is a minimal reception in order to not displease a guest. So displeasing a guest is another cause of being sad or unhappy or unsuccessful. Then Kashyap asked a third question, a third possible cause for her unhappiness of Aditi. He said, perhaps you did not offer oblations of ghee into the fire while I was away. And Prabhupada discusses in purport of text 9 about fire yajna and sacrifice. It says in the Vedic system, a homa or fire yajna is held to offer ghee, grains, fruits and flowers, so the Vishnu may eat and be satisfied. And also not only feeding Vishnu, but something called Brahman Bhojan. This is also recommended after the yajna or offering to Vishnu, Yagyavai Vishnu. Then the prasad, Mahaprasad, is distributed to the brahmanas, so they eat sumptuous food after the yajna. And by this is the second way that the Lord Himself eats, through the mouth of the Brahmins.